Greetings, fellow crypto enthusiasts. Today, we venture into the world of automated crypto trading with uTrading.io. uTrading.io is a cutting-edge trading bot that harnesses the power of artificial intelligence and machine learning to analyze the cryptocurrency market and execute trades on your behalf 24/7. Its mission is to help you maximize profits while saving time and effort. In this review, we will explore uTrading.io, a crypto trading bot powered by artificial intelligence and machine learning. Our aim is to provide you with an honest assessment of uTrading.io, including its safety, performance, and features. We'll delve into how the bot operates, its user experience, profitability potential, transparency, and any limitations or drawbacks. By the end, you'll have the information you need to make an informed decision about uTrading.io. As we dive deeper into the world of crypto trading, I want to give a shout out to our sponsor, StormGain. This platform and mobile app are the perfect solution for all your crypto needs: buying, selling, exchanging, trading, hodling, or even mining Bitcoin and other digital assets. StormGain has got you covered with zero trading commissions, up to 500x leverage, free Bitcoin mining, exclusive trading signals, and more. With StormGain, you can use your credit card to buy and withdraw crypto, and they even provide secure multi-currency wallets to keep your funds safe. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, StormGain is the ideal choice with a simple registration process that doesn't require KYC hassles. So if you're ready to take your crypto trading to the next level, check out the link in the video description to get started with StormGain. And if you enjoy our content, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends and fellow crypto enthusiasts. Let's keep exploring the exciting world of cryptocurrency together. Now let's talk about the concept of crypto trading robots. These are also known as bots, and they are software programs that automatically execute trades in the cryptocurrency market based on predefined rules and algorithms. These bots use complex mathematical models and algorithms to analyze market data and make decisions about when to buy or sell cryptocurrencies. The popularity of automated trading solutions has grown rapidly in recent years as more and more traders look for ways to take advantage of the 24/7 nature of the cryptocurrency market. Automated trading solutions can execute trades much faster and more efficiently than humans, and they can operate without the need for sleep or breaks. Furthermore, the use of AI and machine learning technologies in these bots has made them even more sophisticated, allowing them to learn and adapt to changing market conditions. As a result, many traders are turning to crypto trading robots as a way to increase their profitability and minimize risk. Now let's dive into what uTrading.io is all about. uTrading.io is a crypto trading bot that uses AI and machine learning to automate your trades in the cryptocurrency market. With uTrading, you never have to worry about missing out on opportunities, as the bot can execute trades around the clock according to predefined algorithms. This trading bot was created in November 2022 and is available for browsers, Android, and iOS version coming soon. At the time of this review, however, in our extensive research, we were unable to find any information about the company or owner behind the uTrading website or trading bot. Despite this mystery, the concept of using AI to automate trades has become increasingly popular in recent years as traders seek ways to maximize their returns and minimize risk. Now let's address the all-important question: is it safe to use uTrading? When it comes to the security of your funds and personal information, it's crucial to have peace of mind. With uTrading, they prioritize your security right from the start. They ensure that every API key is securely encrypted and stored using FIPS 142 validated hardware security modules. This advanced encryption technology helps protect the confidentiality and integrity of your exchange API keys. One reassuring aspect is that uTrading only requires the ability to read data and execute trades, so your funds cannot be removed from the exchange. This adds an extra layer of security to your trading experience. Extra layer of protection. However, it's worth noting that uTrading encourages all users to utilize their two-factor authentication to further secure access to your account and enhance your overall security. Now, here's an interesting observation. With uTrading, you don't actually need to deposit your funds on their platform. Instead, you use your exchange's API keys to bind your exchange to the uTrading platform. This means that uTrading only has access to read and execute your trades, reducing the risk of your funds being compromised. However, it's important to exercise caution and be vigilant. While uTrading.io claims to store your API keys safely, it's unfortunate that we are unable to independently verify this information. Therefore, it's crucial to exercise strong caution when using the platform and take additional steps to protect your account and assets. To sum it up, while uTrading has security measures in place and emphasizes the protection of your API keys, it's always important to remain vigilant and prioritize your security. Consider enabling two-factor authentication and be cautious when providing access to your exchange API keys. At the time of this review, uTrading has established partnerships with some of the top exchanges in the crypto world. These include Binance, OKX, Bybit, and Wobit Global. It's worth noting that uTrading is continuously expanding its collaborations, so we can expect even more exchanges to be added in the future. Now, here's an exciting perk for you. If you're considering registering on any of these mentioned exchanges, you can take advantage of a special offer through the link in the video description. By using our exclusive link, you'll enjoy a lifetime discount of 20% on your trading fees. Yes, you heard that right, a discount that keeps on giving. So whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting your crypto journey, this is an opportunity to save some extra funds and maximize your trading potential. Don't miss out. Simply check out the link in the video description, register with the exchange of your choice, and enjoy the benefits of discounted trading fees for life. Remember, every little bit counts when it comes to trading, so why not take advantage of this limited time offer? Click that link and secure your 20% lifetime trading fee discount today. Happy trading! Before we dive into the exciting features of the uTrading platform, let's first take a look at the registration process. It's as easy as pie. Just check out the link in the video description and click on it to get started. From there, all you need to do is provide your email address and choose a password. Simple, right? Now let's talk about connecting your trading with your preferred exchange through API binding. Don't let the term scare you off. It's a pretty straightforward task. Just head over to your exchange platform and create a new API. Once you have the API keys in hand, you can easily paste them into the trading platform. Now here's the important part. When binding the API, remember to only grant uTrading permission to read and execute trades. Resist the temptation to tick that pesky withdrawal option. We want to keep those funds safe and sound, don't we? Keep in mind that the API binding process follows a general pattern. But if you're looking for a step-by-step tutorial for a specific exchange, uTrading has got you covered. You can explore some helpful articles on their platform to ensure a smooth and hassle-free binding experience. So there you have it. Registering on uTrading.io is a breeze, and connecting your preferred exchange through API binding is a piece of cake. Get ready to embark on your automated trading journey with uTrading. And remember, laughter is the best API key, so let's sprinkle a bit of humor along the way. Let's look at the trading interface and some of its nifty functionalities. To begin, click on the uTrading logo in the top left corner to access your profile settings and more. It's like unlocking a secret door to your trading world. Now on the home page, click on the Member tab to check your membership level. This level is determined by your team building and commission earnings. But don't worry, we'll dive deeper into that topic later. For now, let's keep exploring. If you're curious about your earnings, just click on the profit section. It's like opening a treasure chest of financial success. And hey, we all love to see those numbers go up, don't we? Now let's talk about a nifty feature called positions. This little gem helps you manage the relationship between your long and short positions, keeping risks in check and potential returns at their highest. It's like having a trusty sidekick by your side. But what if you need some support along the way? Fear not. Just click on the icon in the top right corner, and a world of support options awaits you. You can choose your topic of interest or reach out for immediate assistance via the support icon. They've got your back. And wait, there's more. Click on the More tab, and a world of additional functions unfolds before your eyes. It's like discovering a secret menu at your favorite restaurant. Exciting, isn't it? Now let's talk trading. Before diving into the action, make sure you have enough gas to fuel your transactions when closing out your futures positions. Good news, spot robots are available for free. Just click on the UGAS function and choose the desired amount, starting from 1,000 UGAS, which costs around $10 for transactions between $100 and $1,000. You can even buy up to 50,000 UGAS, priced at $425. Just remember, you'll need to deposit enough USDT on the platform beforehand. And keep in mind a 0.2% transaction value will be deducted from your UGAs. It's like paying a small fee to keep the trading engine running smoothly. So there you have it, uTrading's interface and some of its cool functionalities. Get ready to navigate through the trading universe with ease and a touch of humor. Let's embark on our trading journey with uTrading. When you're on the home section, you'll find yourself in the gateway to markets where a plethora of coins awaits your trading prowess. Just click on a coin, let's say ETH, and voila, you'll be whisked away to the trade section where the real action happens. But hold your horses. We won't cover all the robots today. Let's focus on a few exciting ones. First up, we have the AITCA. This clever little robot specializes in futures trading during sideways markets. It's like having a secret weapon to navigate those tricky price swings. Now let's dive into the world of AI dual grid. Picture this. Two robots working in harmony, one free of charge and the other requiring some UGAs to power its futures trading magic. The AI dual grid strategy is designed for oscillating markets where prices bounce up and down like a playful kangaroo. With this strategy, you can simultaneously hold long and short positions. Here's the scoop on the profit principle of AI dual grid. When one side of the grid hits a take-profit ratio and gets stopped out, the other side springs into action, purchasing a grid of short positions at the same price. It's a clever dance where one grid profits while the other takes a temporary hit, creating a beautiful harmony of gains. This strategy helps you lock in profits in a volatile market and speed up your journey towards the total profit target. Let's take a closer look at the DCA robots, which can be quite profitable in sideways markets. The DCA, or dollar cost averaging trading strategy, is simple and perfect for beginners. It involves doubling down on investments during price declines to lower the average cost. When prices rebound, profits can be realized much quicker than with ordinary fixed investments. But that's not all. The Futures Hedge DCA takes this strategy to a whole new level by opening both long and short positions. It holds positions on both sides of the market, ensuring that profits are made even in volatile conditions. And the best part, you can customize and adjust your settings according to your preferences and understanding of how the robot works. You can even backtest your strategy before launching it to ensure that it performs optimally. So if you're interested in delving deeper into the world of trading robots, be sure to subscribe to this channel for more in-depth tutorials. And don't forget to like this video for good measure. Absolutely. With uTrading's referral system, you can earn passive income by sharing the platform with others. It's like building a network of commission programs that keeps rewarding you as your referrals and their referrals continue to engage. Let's break it down. As a VIP 1, when you invite 3 friends, you and each of your friends will receive 20% of the energy they paid. That's your direct referral rewards. But it doesn't stop there. When your friends invite others, and those new members buy energy, you'll receive 20% of the commission they pay. It's a network that keeps growing, multiplying your income as you climb up the ranks. The rewards get even better. To reach VIP 2, you'll need 3 direct VIP 1 members and 5 direct members. At this level, you'll enjoy 20% as teen rewards. Commissions keep progressing, and at VIP 3, with 3 direct VIP 2 members and 8 direct members, you'll receive 30% in teen rewards from the network. The journey continues with VIP 4, VIP 5, and ultimately VIP 6, where you need to have a certain number of direct members and team members to unlock higher rewards. At VIP 6, you'll enjoy 60% team rewards, 10% peer rewards, and even a global dividend of 10%. It's the ultimate level where you fully reap the privileges of the company. So start sharing your referral link, invite others, and encourage them to refer more. The more your network grows, the more you'll maximize your returns. Happy earning. These are pros of using uTrading-AI. 1. User-friendly interface. uTrading offers a user-friendly interface, making it easy for both beginners and experienced traders to navigate and utilize the platform efficiently. 2. Automated trading. The availability of crypto trading robots, such as the AIGA and AI Dual Grid, eliminates the need for conducting extensive technical analysis. Users can rely on these robots to make informed trading decisions on their behalf. 3. Diverse coin selection. With uTrading, users have access to a wide range of coins to trade. The platform provides various options, allowing users to explore and invest in different cryptocurrencies based on their preferences and market analysis. 4. Referral Program. uTrading offers a multi-tiered referral program, providing users with an opportunity to earn passive income by referring others to the platform. The program rewards not only direct referrals but also benefits from the referral activity of their network. 5. Security Measures. uTrading prioritizes security by encrypting and storing API keys using validated hardware security modules. The platform also encourages users to enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, for enhanced account security. Let's now talk about drawbacks of uTrading.io. 1. Profit not guaranteed. It's important to note that while uTrading offers potential profit opportunities, there is no guarantee of consistent profits. The platform's success depends on market performance, which can be highly volatile in the crypto space. Users should be prepared for potential losses. 2. High market volatility. Due to the nature of the crypto market's high volatility, there is a risk of experiencing significant losses. Users should exercise caution and have a general understanding of how the crypto market operates before engaging in trading activities. 3. Requires knowledge and understanding. Operating the trading robots on uTrading requires users to have some knowledge of how the robots work and a general understanding of the crypto market. It's important to familiarize oneself with the platform and its features before relying on automated trading. 4. Market dependency. uTrading's performance is heavily reliant on market conditions. As such, users should keep in mind that profitability is subject to market fluctuations and trends. It's crucial to stay informed and monitor the market to make informed trading decisions. Before concluding, I want to remind you that this video is sponsored by StormGain, a user-friendly platform for trading cryptocurrencies. With StormGain, you can easily buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies with up to 300x leverage and benefit from their zero-commission trading. Plus, they offer a demo account so you can practice your trading strategies risk-free. If you're interested in registering with StormGain, you can use the link in the video description to get started. Additionally, if you're looking to register with other cryptocurrency exchanges such as Binance, OKEx, Kucoin, Bybit, Bybit Global, Kraken, Bitfinex, and more, you can also use the link in the video description to enjoy a lifetime trading fee discount of 20%. However, please remember that cryptocurrency is highly risky, and we are not financial advisors. You should always do your own due diligence and research before making any investment decisions. If you do decide to use a trading bot like uTrading, please be aware that there is also risk involved. But if you're interested in trying it out, you can use our link in the video description to register for the uTrading bot. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for future updates.